How's it guys? Welcome back to another Capestance vlog. And today my wife and I are surprising her mother with a new car. My mother-in-law does a lot for us, and even to the point, oh my word, you have to see this. Let's get some. Let's not get distracted. It is nice. Anyways, back to the vlog. So my mother-in-law does a lot for us. Then she works at the Capestance Plumstead, and her car broke down. The engine just seized, and she actually missed the service. That's why it seized. But you know, ladies don't always remember to service the car. Oopsie, there we are still. So currently driving the car now, and you guys are gonna see the car when I unveil it to her, and you're gonna get her reaction all in one. Because what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna come up with my wife's car, and we're gonna say we're going to do a promo video for Capestance Plumstead, and then put the mic on her, and then ask her what she does at the car wash. And yeah, you guys will be able to see her reaction and unveiling what car we got her. 3, 2, 1, just introduce the place.
Hi, welcome to Capestance Plumstead, and I'm going to introduce you to all the type of different services that we offer. We offer from a full wash, wash and dry, wash and go, and then we also offer all the type of waxes, which is hand waxes and machine waxes. We also do detailing as well as clay bar and waxing. So yeah,
Nice.
give us a try and we won't disappoint.
I want to do one more, and then I want you to introduce this area and then say what you do in this area. But come stand more here, over here in front of the Big Shell logo. Okay,
Is the base?
but it's actually all the setup,
Oh, this is
because
all.
surprise,
Oh my God.
that's your car. Yes. Rafika, get that? We made it happen. Okay, let me have a moment.
Shukran, guys. I don't know what to say, but yeah, appreciate
Look at her. Look at around at the car. Tell us what you
Oh
think.
my word, shukran.
Sit inside. See? Oh, you got flowers also to match the car.
Wow, shukran.
Sit inside. It's been how long? Like 3 months, no longer. Like since
Yeah.
since what, Ramadan time? I think it was March.
Yeah, March or April, I think.
We've been looking at so many cars, and a lot of them are so terrible.
Yeah.
How's it look inside?
Yeah, it looks very nice. Beautiful, mashallah.
So we were going through all your criteria, the interior being neat and clean, and this was one of the cleanest examples we found.
Wow.
Come and look around on the outside of the car. So obviously, it's not perfect, but you know, we've got the skills to make it perfect.
Yeah.
The little damage here on the door.
Okay.
Yeah, it all opens.
Open?
Yeah, it opens.
Oh, and it's remote windows.
Electric windows, power steering.
Wow.
So yeah, they just had a little fender bender here, but we're gonna get that sorted out. And wait, everything works with the key.
And I got the Capestance name.
Yeah, you got branded already.
So I can't run away. Wow. Shukran.
She's gonna hand the keys over to you.
Shukran.
Beautiful. Okay, you can continue looking around. Look around on the side. You got nice balloons for you too. Okay guys, surprise successful. Give your mommy a hug me. Okay, it's a video. Please get in the car. Take us for a ride.
Wow, I have a radio. Wow, I have a radio. I don't know when last I listened to a radio. Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Okay, so yeah, that's the only fault is that thing. What? You're rolling?
No, I know.
No. I didn't know. Okay. That's the only fault in the interior really is the stuff, and the steering wheel is a little bit worn.
Oh,
And then
okay.
the front right shock is making a little noise. Some you see that might be the shock is finished. But
And then when I started, it look.
no, that's just because you was turning too much.
Okay.
Just switch it off. Switch it on. See, you were turning too long. That's why.
Okay.
Okay, turn the wheels facing that way. No, going the wrong way. Let's go out. Yes. Can you hear that slight knock there? So it's, I think some reason it's the shock. It wasn't so bad now actually. Like so when you drive 120, there's a slight vibration. Yeah, on the highways. So you can, take us for a drive.
I must get used to
Yeah.
the clutch now.
You're driving like a racer. So yeah, it's got all the things you wanted: electric windows, power steering, central locking. The only thing we need to get, like I think kind of urgently, is lock nuts. There's no lock nuts on the wheels, so your wheels can be stolen. Yeah. But I mean, you don't really park in dodgy areas overnight. And balloons smell like rubber, like burnt tires.
Like latex.
So yeah, you're flying. I feel like, brace myself. It's quite fast, like nappy for what it is.
A 1.4?
I think it's actually I think it's a 1.6. I don't know. It's a 2009 Hyundai Kids.
Wow.
And 175,000 only on the clock. Still decent mileage. You're sitting a little too close to it.
I know,
That's
yeah.
why, so you need to come a little bit further back. And there's no holes in the seat, or major holes.
Yeah,
There's one or
there's
two,
one
or two small ones, but not like worn holes like major. Oh, the econ belt is off. It was worn out. So the guy cut it before we
Oh, it's
left.
quite fast.
And it drives like free, like it's moving fast. So yeah, slam it. Like it was all because of Rafika. And you're rolling.
Very
You're
nice.
rolling,
No,
so-
I'm not rolling.
Rather just put your foot on the brake. Because if you clutch controlling like that, you actually wear out the clutch.
Easy.
Yes.
I always do that.
I know. That's what I'm telling you. Because you actually, to give the car a longer life, rather put your foot on the brake, because you're always doing that, and that's wearing out the clutch. So if you do that over 50,000 kilometers, you're wearing out that clutch all the time driving.
Yeah, we have one condition that didn't mention. Please service the car once a year.
At minimum. And
Once a year.
minimum. But I'm not a mechanic.
Okay, I'll tell Samir to do it.
It's on 175,000. So like I recommend doing it like every 7,500.
Like 20,000.
No, 7,500.
7,500.
Yeah.
10? No?
Say 7.5 to 10. So the next should
10? No?
say 7.5 to 10. So the next should be at 185,000. But
You normally
we
say
actually
15,000 for a smaller
No,
car
but-
and 20 for a bigger car.
But the older the car gets, the more frequently it needs to be serviced. And so that's like new cars. And I think
2009 model.
It rides over the bumps like a smooth. Yeah, indicates on the other
I
side.
did that when I drove up. I put the wipers on the
It feels like it has a lot of power.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because it's like a 2009, it's not like old.
Yeah,
So it's,
yeah.
and the motor, like when I check the oil, the motor is still fresh. The service history until 130,000, and then after that, the second owner didn't service it as much. So, that's what I wanted to say. Now, when you get the car, you need to service it yourself in the sense of like when you take ownership, give it fresh oils, fresh everything, so you know.
It like every second week.
No, but
Like
I
the
mean,
bakkie also.
no, but I mean now with a new car ownership, like new second hand, you need to start the servicing history with yourself because you don't know when they serviced it. So now we'll do oil and plugs and all that type of stuff so that we know, because they could have not serviced it for the last 20,000. Now you drive another 10 without servicing, it can be the same problem again. But yeah, it drives like a smooth. No?
Lekker.
And the
Yeah.
I don't know if it is the shocks because it goes over the bump so nicely.
I must get used to that now. It really drives very fast.
It works. The radio works. The heater works. The only thing is, when it's summer, we'll fix the aircon, the belt, put the belt on, and then it must be regassed. Yeah. And my main thing was the car is straight. Like, you know, we saw how many cars with rust on it. All this, the dashboard was broken. All that dashboard was like my ever ended. Wow, people crack the dashes and stuff. And the seats.
Yeah, that one guy brought me a car with a dash broken.
Cracking, yeah. So, alhamdulillah.